Welcome to the ARStudio tutorial plugin overlay, which allows you to start creating experiences in augmented reality. First, log into the ARStudio platform with our email and password. The top bar shows all the active plugins. The experiences are arranged in campaigns. We start by adding one. We choose a name and select the channel from where we will see the result. Now we can create our first overlay. First, we insert the name and upload our trigger image to the platform. This image is the one we are going to hover over with our camera to watch the result in augmented reality. If we want the same image to show content in different languages, we can select the multilingual content option. The second step is to add the audiovisual content that is linked to the trigger image. It can be a video, an audio, a web link, a 3D model, or an image. In our case, we are going to upload a video. We look for it in our files and open it. Our video has a transparent background, so we select the alpha video option before continuing. We can also choose the behaviour of the content. We indicate that we want it to adapt vertically to the trigger image. In the last step, we configure the interactive buttons. For example, we can add a phone number. The design of these buttons is standard, but we can modify their size and location in the scene. We can also add the email button, and by clicking on it, the email app will be opened. The last standard button is the web link option. The platform allows you to add a custom designed button. We have to select the button image, upload it to the platform, place it in the scene and select the type. Again, it can be by a phone number, email or web link. Let's not forget to add value. Everything is ready now. We can publish our overlay. Within our campaign file, we see the summary of our first overlay. Here, we can enlarge the trigger image for testing. At the preview, we find the summary of the content associated with the image. Remember that we can also download the report of the consumed AR hits, edit the content of our overlay in real time, or delete it permanently. In the Analytics panel, we have a complete visual summary of the behaviour of our campaign. Number of hits, interactions per day, locations. We can add filters and download reports to keep everything under control. To see the final result of our augmented reality experience, we need an app and our AR camera. Hover over the trigger image and enjoy the content.